Restoring two-factor authorization on the Bit.team exchange. If you have lost access to your mobile phone where the Google Authenticator app is installed and you cannot access to the Bit.team platform, then you need to find the configuration code you saved, the code that you scanned when enabling two-factor authorization. Then manually add it to the Google Authenticator app. To do this, you need to click plus and select Enter the settings key. Next, fill in the account name and in key type list select By Time. Click Add and the codes for accessing the Bit.team platform will appear already on the new mobile device. If you can't find the configuration code, then contact the support service by sending your request to the support@bit.team. It is important that you send your request from the email that you used when logging into the website. In the subject of the request, specify a request for access restoration, and then describe in detail information about your account balance, recent transactions, dates, and devices from which you entered the site. In addition, if your account is verified, you should immediately provide this data: phone number and passport. The most detailed information will be able to speed up the processing of your request, but it will take no less than 5 working days since the date of the request.